Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of hemorrhoid relief with the best Preparation H ointment featuring lidocaine available in the market. If you're someone who suffers from the discomfort of hemorrhoids, you know how crucial it is to find relief that's both effective and fast-acting. That's where Preparation H comes in. This bundle includes not one, but two powerful products designed to tackle hemorrhoid symptoms head-on. First up, we have the Preparation H Hemorrhoid Ointment. With its soothing formula containing lidocaine, this ointment provides prompt relief from itching, burning, and discomfort associated with hemorrhoids. The ointment works to temporarily shrink swollen hemorrhoidal tissue, offering immediate relief and protection against further irritation. But that's not all. The bundle also includes the Preparation H Cooling Gel with Aloe. This gel is formulated with aloe and vitamin E to provide fast relief from hemorrhoid pain, itching, and burning. Its cooling sensation helps to alleviate discomfort quickly, making it an essential part of your hemorrhoid relief routine. With Preparation H, you can trust that you're getting the #1 doctor-recommended brand for hemorrhoid treatment. So say goodbye to the discomfort and hello to relief with Preparation H. That wraps up today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques. Until next time, stay comfortable and stay informed. This is Product Critique, signing off.